Good afternoon. The monsoon front dropped heavy showers in the southern provinces until this morning, but rain will taper off during the day but pick up later again tonight. And the southern coastal regions are forecast to see up to 250 millimeters of torrential showers. Meanwhile, those of us in the rain-free areas will see scorching temperatures with a heat advisory being in place for Seoul and parts of Gangwon-do and Gyeonggi-do provinces. And high humidity will add to the discomfort, while daily highs will be in the 20s for rain-affected areas this afternoon. And as for updates on Tropical Storm Dennis, all South Korean residents need to be on high alert as the storm turned north on Wednesday and will continue on a northward track, possibly impacting the Korean Peninsula from Friday to Sunday. So let's all monitor this storm closely. That's Korea for you, and here's the international weather for viewers around the world.